Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to accept Stripe payments on your WordPress website. So I'm on my homepage and I'll start by going to my WordPress dashboard. And from the dashboard we'll hover over ProfilePress and we'll click on Settings. Now let's go to the Payments tab and we'll click on Payment Methods. So here you can see all of our different payment methods. We are going to select Stripe, we'll click on Configure. And here we are going to click on Connect with Stripe. Now on the next page, if you don't have an account, click on Create a New Account. But if you already have one, click on Connect. Now we just need to wait for the process to finish. Alright, so now it's done. So on this page we have a title field and this shows up on the checkout page. The same goes for the description. It says pay with your credit card via Stripe. So here's our live webhook secret, which was configured automatically. Normally we would have to manually configure the webhook. And then we can add a statement descriptor, which is what shows up on card statements. It's used to identify transactions, so it could just be your business name. And next we can select the payment collection method. Here we have two main options, which is on-site as well as off-site. We'll keep it as on-site since it's on our website. Next we can choose whether or not to remove the billing address and restrict Stripe assets. Let's keep both of these settings as default and save our changes. Now we also need to enable Stripe, so I'm going to click on Check to Enable and I'll scroll down and click on Save Changes one more time. Alright, so that should be cool. Now I'm going to go back to Payment Methods. I'm going to click on it here. And on this page, we can see that Stripe is now enabled. Let's also change our default payment method to Stripe. We'll also save our changes. And we'll go ahead and open our website in a new incognito window. So once the page loads, I'll scroll down to the pricing plan. I'll click on Get Started. And that will take us to our checkout page. And here's our Stripe form. So in order to complete a purchase, a customer will need to enter their payment information as well as their account information. And after clicking on subscribe at the bottom, they'll be taken to this order confirmation page. And in our case, we are going to see details about our subscription. Now I made this payment using a prepaid card that I no longer use. So I'm sure this payment failed, but I'm still going to show you the transaction inside of Stripe. But first, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So I'm just going to close this tab and we are going to view this order inside of ProfilePress. Let's go to the orders page. So on the left, we are going to click on orders. And our customer was John Doe. We can see the amount for the subscription, $29. So we'll click on John Doe. And there we can see the details for the order. So for example, we can change the status of this order from pending to something like completed or failed or refused. And finally, here we have the transaction inside of Stripe. So this transaction failed due to insufficient funds on this prepaid card that was used. And we can see all of the details about this transaction on this page. So basically, this shows that Stripe has been connected to ProfilePress successfully. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.